Start the topics. What we have discussed in the chapter theory in the first lectures. Just recall the formulas. That was the important formulas that was related to the chapter area related to the circle. I am going to explain again. Area of circle that was equal to pi r square. ठीक है. What is the area of semicircle? That is half of this circle. So half of pi r square. Next one was the area of the quadrant. Area of quadrant is equal to fourth part of circle, so 1/4 of pi r square. Next formula was the area of triangle is given by 1/2 base into height. If a triangle with the angle theta is given between the two sides, so what will the area of this triangle? If theta is the angle between these two sides, the area of triangle will be 1/2 into this side into this side, AB into AC into sine of angle between them into sine of theta. Next, we have discussed the area of the minor sector, that was the theta upon 360 degree into, that was the area multiplied by area of circle pi r square. Next was length of the arc, that is equals to theta upon 360 degree into, that is length of the arc, that was circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r से multiply करें. Next formula was area of minor segment. This is the circle with center O. Suppose this is the chord AB. ठीक है. This angle subtend theta. तो area of sector is complete part. You already know in the lecture first. What is the area of segment? This is the area of this thing. That is equal to area of this sector OABA minus area of this triangle. That is equal to area of minor sector minus area of this triangle OAB, area of triangle AOB. Next, area of major sector, easily you can find out. You are already find out the area of minor sector, so you have to subtract. Area of major sector is given by area of circle minus area of minor sector from this formula. Next, area of major segment is equal to area of minor segment, subtract कर देंगे. You will find area of minor segment from here. Area of circle minus area of minor segment from this formula. What will you get answer? You have to put the value here. And let's start the lecture. Please take the screenshot of these formulas and this one also. And let's start the lecture. Note down on your copies. Let's start the lecture. First questions. The radius of two circles are this and this. Suppose two circles are this one, radius r1. This circle is radius r2. You have to find out this one and this one, r1, r2. This is given. Find the radius of circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. This circumference of this circle is c1, this circumference c2, and you have to find another circle that is radius r with circumference c. So let the circle C with radius circumference, sum of two circumferences already given here, sum of circumferences, that is equal to c1 plus c2. Circumference of this circle radius having r is equal to 2 pi r equals to circumference first circle having radius r1 2 pi r1. Circumference of second circle with radius r2 is equal to 2 pi r2. That taking 2 pi r common here, 2 pi common, that is equal to r1 plus r2. Finally you can cancel out this one, so r equal to easily r1 plus r2. This is the r1 is 19 centimeter and r2 is 9 centimeter. Adding these things you will get the answer, that is equal to 28 centimeter. This is your first answer. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Let's read the question number second. The radius of two circles are this and this, 8 and 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle having the area. Area is equal to the sum of areas of two circles. There are two circles. Let's consider two circles. That is circle first with radius r1, circle second with radius r2, and finally sum of this final circle this with radius r, area equal to this one. So this capital of A equals to a1 plus a2. That is sum of area of two circles is equal to capital A. Area of this circle will be pi r square. Area of first circle, this one will radius r1 having radius, this is A1, this is A2, this is capital A. Area is pi r square. इसका area, this area equal to pi r1 square, that is equal to pi r2 square. Taking pi common, you will get r1 square plus r2 square is equal to pi r square. तो pi से pi cancel out, तो r square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. I will solve here. Since r square will be r1 square plus r2 square, r square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. फर्स्ट सर्कल की रेडियस है 8 सेंटीमीटर, तो 8 का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड सर्कल की रेडियस है r2, दिस 6 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू एडिंग बोथ थिंग, दिस 84 प्लस 36 दैट इज इक्वल टू 100. देयरफॉर r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 100. टेकिंग रूट ऑन बोथ साइड, r इक्वल टू रूट 100 दैट इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. दिस इज फाइनल आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next, question number 3. The given figure depicts an archery target दे रखा है marked with the 5 scoring areas from the center to outward as gold. First one was that this one gold, second was that red, third one was gold, red, blue, black, white. Gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of region representing the gold score. अंदर का जो गोल्ड स्कोर है उसका डायमीटर दे रखा है, गोल्ड स्कोर का इसका डायमीटर दे रखा है. दिस डायमीटर इक्वल टू आपको दे रखा है 21 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 21 सेंटीमीटर फॉर ए गोल्ड. एंड बैंड विड्थ बैंड्स, ईच बैंड्स हैव 10.5 सेंटीमीटर वाइड. तो इनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है बैंड्स के बीच में 10.5 सेंटीमीटर, ईच बैंड्स के बीच में कितनी है 10.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. सबके बीच में डिस्टेंस कितने 10.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो इनर है उसका डायमीटर दे रखा है इसका, तो इसकी रेडियस निकाल सकते हैं. रेडियस ऑफ फर्स्ट वन इसको मान लीजिए, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. एंड फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ईच ऑफ 5 स्कोरिंग एरियाज. इन सब का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है आपको क्वेश्चंस में. तो मान लो फर्स्ट गोल्ड का एरिया A1, इसका रेड का एरिया A2, ब्लू का एरिया A3, ब्लैक का एरिया A4 और वाइट का एरिया A4 आपने एज्यूम कर लिया. तो आपको A1, A2, A3 सब का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, जो आपको डायमीटर गोल्ड की रेडियस निकाल सकते हैं, R1 है गोल्ड की रेडियस हो जाएगी, इसकी रेडियस R2, R3 इस तरह से निकलेगी. तो R1 जो रेडियस होगी आपकी वो सिंपली आप इजीली, दिस इज द R1 रेडियस, दिस इज सेकंड के लिए R2 रेडियस, दिस इज R3 रेडियस, दिस इज R4 रेडियस एंड लास्ट ऑल आर द कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स 5. तो R1 इक्वल टू सिंपली डायमीटर दे रखा है, दिस इज डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 21 by divided 2, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now what will be the radius of R2? R2 equal to this radius plus 10.5 centimeter. So add 10.5 centimeter in this. So 10.5 plus 10.5, that is equal to 21 centimeter. Next, what will be R3? Again add this 10.3 in R2. R2 plus 10.3, 10.5 sorry, bandwidth 10.5. 21 plus 10.5, that is equal to 31.5 centimeter. To get R4, again add R3 plus 10.5 centimeter, that is equal to 31.5 plus 10.5, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Finally, to get R5, again add 10.5 in this, 42 plus 10.5 equal to 52.5 centimeter. These are the radius of every circle, R1, R2, R3, R4, I5. Next, now first of all we find the area of this gold region. This is gold region. So area of gold region, that we consider the late, this one is A1, this one was A2, this was A3, this was A4 and this one was A5. That means you have to find the area of A1 region. A1 is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Pi not given, we will consider 22 upon pi. 22 upon R1 square. This is the radius of this one, R1. R1, what is the value of R1? 10.5. That is equal to 10.5 ka square. After solving this, you will get what will be the area of this A1. Solve this and you will get the, after solving this equation, you will get the answer 346.5 centimeter square. That is the unit of, this is the area of this gold region. Now area of red, Just I want to clear this picture more to you. This is the region given, this is the gold. You have to find the area of this red region. This red region, you have to find the area of this region only. So how will you find out the area of this region? You have to just find out the area of this complete region R2 having radius R2, and you have to subtract this area of gold region, that was the area of first region. So you will get the area of this red region. So area of red region equal to area A2, that is considered A2 equal to area of red region will be A2 equal to this area of this red 2 region pi R2 square, radius having R2, this radius R2 square minus area of first region. You have to just subtract this region, this gold region, this complete area from this complete area of this run. You have to subtract this gold region, that's why you will get this black colored portions, that is the area. You have to subtract A1, this one. You have to just put the values, you will get the answer easily. You have to put the values. What is the R2? R2 is here 21 centimeter. Pi की value 22/7, R2 की value put 21 centimeter minus A1. This area already we have calculated, put this value 346.5 centimeter. After solving these equations, you will get the value, that is 1386 minus this one 346.5. So final solving this, you will get answer 1039.5 centimeter square. That is the area of red region, that is A2 consider. Next, similarly to find the area of next one part, that is blue. So area of blue region, that is A3. So simply you find this area, this blue region having radius R3. You have to subtract these two areas, this red region as well as you have to subtract this interior regions, also gold region, these two regions from this complete part. Okay, to get the area of this region, this is the blue region, you have to find out the area of this region. That's why you have to subtract this gold region and red region, that was A1 and A2. So this is pi R3 square minus area of A1 plus A2. Simply what is the radius of R3? Already we calculated in above in start beginning. What is the R3? R3 is the radius of circle 31.5 centimeter. 31.5 centimeter square minus A1 plus A2. What is the A1? This one 346.5, or what is A2? We calculate A2, that was equal to this one 1039.5. After solving this, you will get, what will you get the value? Pi R3 square, pi की value 22/7, and putting this value and solving this, and after adding these things you will get that is equal to 1386, and solving this one you will get 3118.5 minus subtract this one 1386. So finally you will get easily 1732.5 centimeter square. Similarly you can find the other regions R4 and R5 having radius 42 and this one 52/5 centimeter. I am solving here. Similarly to find the area of region A4, that was the black regions, simply pi R4 का radius will be R4, that is given 42 centimeter. I put here pi की value and A1 plus A2 plus A3 subtract कर दीजिए ऐड करके. So you get this value, this one, this addition, subtraction, final this is area of A4. And finally to get the area of A5 regions, similarly just match the answer 5 R5 का square, that is R5 52/5 का स्क्वायर माइनस A1 A2 A3 A4 का एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, सब का ऐड कर, दैट इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, सब्ट्रैक्ट गेटिंग दिस वैल्यू सॉल्व दिस वन माइनस दिस वन, फाइनल दिस विल बी द आंसर ऑफ एरिया रीजन वाइट रीजन A5. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द व्हील ऑफ ए कार हैविंग द डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 80 सेंटीमीटर इच. तो व्हील का डायमीटर दे रखा है, तो रेडियस ऑफ व्हील will be the half of this diameter, that is equal to 80/2 equal to 40 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel makes in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of this one? And next step you have to 10 minutes per minute, and that's why the speed is given इतने मीटर. First of all, this is the radius of circle, diameter का half. हम circumference of circle हो जाएगी. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi की value 22/7. What is the radius of circle is given here? 40 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle. Now we have to find the total how many revolution. Number of revolutions is given by number of revolution is given by total distance upon circumference of circle. Distance covered in one round. One round is equal to circumference of circle. Distance covered in one round. Distance covered in one round. That is the number of revolutions. So how will this is the speed is given 66 km per hour. Means in 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 66 किलोमीटर. किलोमीटर को मीटर में करेंगे तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो 66 इंटू 1000 दैट इज इक्वल टू मीटर. आपका आंसर किस में सेंटीमीटर है तो मीटर को सेंटीमीटर के कन्वर्ट कर दिया तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई तो 6600 इंटू 100 से मल्टीप्लाई दैट इज इक्वल टू सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज कवर्ड इन 1 आवर. दैट इज 60 मिनट इक्वल टू दिस मिनट. 60 minute equal to this distance centimeter. 3, 4, 5 centimeter. So you have to find out the distance covered in 10 minutes. So 1 minutes में divide by 60 और 10 minutes total distance cover will be 6600 upon 60 into 10. That will you get this distance equal to 11,000 centimeter. This is the total distance. So you have to put here total distance 11 1 2 3 4 5 0 divided by distance covered in one round, that is equal to this circumference of circle 2 into 22/7 into 40. After solving this you will get the final answer that is equal to 4375 after solving these questions here. That's why this is distance covered in total distance. This is total distance in 10 minutes. You have to find in 10 minutes distance. This is your final number of revolutions answer. Solved. Next questions. Next question is so simple. You have to correct the justify the answer. If the perimeter of the circle, perimeter and area of circle are numerically equal, तो perimeter equal to area, तो perimeter का फॉर्मूला है 2 pi r. इक्वल एरिया का फॉर्मूला होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो पाई से पाई कैंसिल आउट, इस आर से एक आर कैंसिल तो आर इक्वल टू कितना आ गया 2 यूनिट्स. दिस इज योर आंसर. दिस इज 2 यूनिट्स. दैट इज सॉल्व्ड. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू जस्ट पेरीमीटर किसके इक्वल करना है एरिया के इक्वल. तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ सर्किल इक्वल टू एरिया. पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला 2 पाई आर. एरिया की वैल्यू पाई आर स्क्वायर. आर से आर कैंसिल, पाई से पाई कैंसिल तो आर इक्वल टू 2 यूनिट्स. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. Next I am going to solve the exercise 12.2. Next exercise. Let's start the first questions. The area of the sector of the circle is, you have to find the area of sector of a circle whose radius is this one and sector angle is 60 degree. It means you have to given already radius is equal to 6 centimeter and theta equal to 60 degree. This is the circle, this sector, this angle is equal to 60 degree. Radius equal to 6 centimeter. You have to find the area of this sector of this circle. So area of sector, already applied the formula of this circle. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Put the values. Theta is equal to this one 60. That is value of theta upon 360 degree into pi is not given. Put pi 22/7. What is the radius of circle? R square. R is given 6 centimeter. 6 into 6 centimeter square. After solving this you will get this cancel. This is cancel 6 times. 6 is 6 cancel. You will get 22 into 6/7. That centimeter square, that is equal to 132/7 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Next question. Next questions, you have to find out the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is given. So circumference is given, so you have to first find out the radius of the circle. So just circumference is given, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, that is given. So 2 pi r equal to 22 centimeter is given. 22, to put the value 2 pi equal to 22 upon 7 into r equal to 22. Finally r equal to this 22 cancel out, 7 उस साइड जा जाएगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 7/2 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल. यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट. एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ सर्किल इक्वल्स टू 1/4 pi r square. Just put the value 1/4 pi equal to 22 upon 7. And what is the r? R you have to find out value. This one put here, r square, 7/2 का square. You have to just solve this. That will, you will find the area of quadrant, 7/2 into 7/2. Solving this, simply you have to just solve this. You will get this is equal to 11 into 7, that is 77 divided by 4 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter square. This is the area of quadrant of the circle. I hope you solve. This is your final answer. Next question, question number 3. The length of the minute hand each of a clock is 14 centimeter. The area swept by this in the 5 minutes. I will explain in simple way. This is the circle. Suppose this is the minute hand. The minute hand will complete one revolution in 60 minutes. 60 minutes he will cover. 1 minute hand की बात हो रही है, इसकी minute hand. 60 minutes he will cover complete angle. This complete angle that is equal to 360 degree. In 1 minute it will swept कितने डिग्री एंगल, 360 डिवाइडेड बाय यूनिटरी मेथड, 60 से डिवाइड, that is equal to 6 degree. We have to find in 5 minutes. The angle swept in 5 minutes. Angle swept in 5 minutes equal to 1 minute में कितने एंगल डिग्री शिफ्ट है, 6 डिग्री. तो 6 into 5, 6 degree into 5, that is equal to 30 degree. That is the circle with angle sweeping, that is equal to 30 degree. You have to find this area of, that is the sector, just like a sector. So you have to find out this area swept, that is the in the sector form. This is the sector having the radius, that is given length of this one, that was equal to 14 centimeter. That is the radius. So just find the area of this sector. That will be area swept. Area swept equals to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. This is the area of, area will swept will be the equal to the area of this sector. Theta is equal to, that is value of theta. Here I am writing theta is equal to 30 degree and radius is equal to this one, 14 centimeter. Put here in this formula. 360 into pi r square, pi equal to 22 upon 7. What is the radius of circle given? 14 centimeter. 14 का square, तो 14 into 14 centimeter square. After solving this, you will get easily final answer. After solving these questions, you will get 154 upon 3 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Next questions. Again, I am going to explain this simply in 60 minute hand. In 60 minutes swept 360 degree angle, 1 minute he will swept 6 degree angle. You have to find the angle minute that swept in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes swept angle will be 6 into 5, 30 degree angle. This is the value of theta and this is the radius. Length will be equal to radius. You have to just, area swept will be this sector. You have to find area of this sector. The area swept will be theta upon 360 pi r square. Value putting, you will get this is your final answer. Next questions. Next question number 4. The chord of a circle of radius दे रखी है 10 cm, subtend a right angle at the center. सिंपली कहना चाहता है कि एक सर्किल है, उसमें ये सेक्टर के, ये सेंटर दे रखा है, सेक्टर के साथ जो एंगल बना रहा है ये कितने डिग्री दे रखा है, 90 डिग्री एट द सेंटर. दिस इज सेंटर ऑफ सर्किल. मान लीजिए दिस इज द chord AB. फाइंड द कोरोस्पॉन्डिंग माइनर सेगमेंट एंड मेजर सेगमेंट. तो सबसे पहले आपको सर्किल दे रखा है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस माइनर सेगमेंट एंड मेजर सेक्टर. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू, फर्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 3 थिंग्स. एरिया ऑफ दिस सेक्टर, OA, suppose this point is C, so OACB. So I will write area of, this is radius is already given, 10 centimeter radius is given here. This is 10 centimeter. Theta is given, radius is equal to 10 centimeter, and theta is given already right angle. That means theta is equal to 90 degrees. The area of minor sector equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is equal to, put value 90 upon 360 degree into pi 22 upon 7. Radius of circle is given, that is equal to 10 centimeter, 10 का square. After solving this you will get, sorry, a mistake is here. The pi is already given in the question, that is 3.14. I will not use this one, I am erasing this one. So you have to use the value given in the question, that you have to use pi equals to 3.14. I will put 3.14, and solving this you will get 78.5 centimeter. That is the area of sector. Next step, you have to find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle AOB, this triangle, area of this triangle AOB equal to 1. This is the right angle triangle, so this is the base. This I am plotting this triangle, right angle triangle. This I am considering this base, this height 10 10. So 1/2 base into height, base into height equal to, that is base, this is height, 1/2 into 10 into 10. What will the area of right angle triangle? That is equal to 50 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of this segment. This segment is equal to area of this sector minus area of this triangle. So area of minor segment, area of, I am using different color, minor sector equal to area of this sector OACB, area of minor sector minus area of triangle, this triangle AOB. Simply minor sector, that we are already find 78.5 centimeter square, and area of this triangle, that we have to solve this and get this value 50 centimeter. Subtract this 50 centimeter square. So finally what will you will get the area of minor sector, minor segment, sorry, area of minor segment, sorry, this is a minor segment, that is equal to, what is the value, subtracting after you will get, that is 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of this minor segment. Next you have to find the area of the major sector. So simply how you will find the area of major sector? Simply you have to subtract this minor sector from area of circle. So I am solving area of major sector. Now to find the area of the major sector, you have to just find the area of circle minus area of minor sector. So already we find the area of minor sector, that was equal to this one. So I am putting this value here. Area of circle will be pi r square, pi की value 3.14 into what is the radius of circle is given in the question, that is 10 centimeter, pi r square minus area of minor sector, already we get that value 78.5 centimeter square. And final, after solving these equations you will get the area of major sector. What will be the area of major sector? After solving this you will get that value equal to 235.5 centimeter square. This is your final आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर को एक और तरीके से आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. जैसे ये कंप्लीट 360 होता है तो 90 को हटा देंगे तो ये जो वैल्यू होगी थीटा आ जाएगा आपका 360 माइनस 90 डिग्री, दैट इज इक्वल टू 270 डिग्री. बाई टेकिंग दिस वन एज ए सेक्टर यू कैन अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सेक्टर, दैट इज इक्वल टू थीटा इक्वल टू 270 डिग्री. एंड एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. आई कैन पुट theta is equal to 270 upon 360, theta upon 360 into pi r square, r is same, pi equals to 3.14 into radius of circle 10 into का square. After solving this you will get the same answer, that was equal to 235.5 centimeter. This is also another way. You can solve in this way also. You will get same answer. Next question. Same question, same type of questions. In a circle of question number 5. In a circle of radius is given 21 cm, subtend an angle of 60 degree. This makes 60 degree at the center. Find the length of R, area of sector formed by arc and the area of segment formed by the corresponding arc. तो सिंपली आपको बता रखा है 3 चीज़ें आपको इजीली निकालनी है हर क्वेश्चन के अंदर। सिंपली ये सर्कल बना दिया, आपको क्या क्या दे रखा है, सेंटर ऑफ सर्किल के साथ कितना डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है, 60 डिग्री एट द सेंटर। Radius of circle is given 21 centimeter. This is 21 centimeter. This is 21 centimeter. This center O let. This is AB. You have to find the length of arc. So length of arc equals to, simply you will use the length of arc का formula, theta upon 360 degree. Here what is the theta? Theta is equal to 60 degree. What is the radius? That is equal to 21 centimeter. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. I am just putting the values in this formula. Theta is equal to 60 upon 360 degree into, that is 2 into pi equals to 22 upon 7. What is the radius of circle is given 21 centimeter. After solving you will get that 6 6 are 36, 7 3 are 21, 3 2 are 6, 2 2 are cancel, that is equal to 22 centimeter. That will equal first answer, that length of the arc will be equal to 22 centimeter. That's all. Next question. Area of sectors, that is the area of sectors formed by the arc. This is the minor arc, that's why this is theta is less than 180 degree. That is the form minor arc. That's equal to, you have to find the area of this minor sectors. So simply you have to find the area of sector. Area of sector, you have to apply the formula, area of sector. Already you know the formula, equals to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Put the value, theta is that value 60 degree upon 360 degree into pi equals to 22 upon 7. What is the radius of circle? This is square, 21 into 21. After solving this you will get the answer, that is equal to 231 centimeter square. Simple. I hope you solve this one. Next you have to find out the area of segment of corresponding chord. To find the area of this segment, first of all you have to find the area of this triangle. How you will find the area of triangle? Already you know formula. Simple. Area of triangle AOB. Already I explained in the lecture. This was given 21. This was given 21. This was the angle between these two. This and this given by theta. So you can easily find the area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 into this sides and this sides. 21 into 21 into sine of angle between this one. This is sine of, what is the angle? Theta, 60 degree. After solving that you can easily find out the 20 into 20, 441 by 2 into sine 60 degree from trigonometry table. You can find this is equal to root 3 by 2. So what will you get the answer? What will be the value of this? This will be equal to 441 root 3 by 2 into 2 equals to 4 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle. ठीक है. In the next, this is the area of triangle AOB. Now we have to find the area of the segment. This area, the area of segment equals to area of sector, minor sector, that is minus area of this triangle, area of triangle AOB. Just put the value. Already we have find the area of minor sector, that was this one. Area of triangle, already find this one. You have to subtract this minus this. So you will get the area of the segment of the circle. I am just putting the value. Just put the value, you will get the answer. Area of sector, minor sector 231 minus this 441 root 3 upon 4. That centimeter square. This is your final answer. I hope you understand. Next question. Remember area of any triangle having the angle theta between the area of triangle. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. So you have to find the area if theta is angle between these. So you have to find, how can you find area? This is the formula. You have to remember 1 by 2, already explained in first lecture. This side's AB into this side's AC into sine of theta between them. sine of theta. So already in questions that was equal to 21, that was 21, that is theta. That's why I use this formula 1 by 2, that was theta equals to 60 degree. That was 21, that is sides this one, AC, that was 21 into sine of theta, that is sine of 60 degree, and putting this value from trigonometry. I solve. I hope you understand. This is very important formula. Next question number 6 is similar types, having a circle of chord having the radius 15 cm, subtend angle 60 degree at the center. Find the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. You have to consider pi equals to 3.14 and root 3 की value 1.73. Same type of questions already explained. I am just giving a hint for you. This is a circle with this is the angle making this was the theta 60 degree. This is the AB of chord having center O. This is C. You have to just find out area of minor segments. This segment, how you will find the area of minor segment? Just find out the first you have to area of this sector OACB. ठीक है. Then you have to subtract area of this triangle. You can find out this was the radius given 15 centimeter. 15 area of this triangle I am writing here for help you. Area of triangle AOB equals to 1 by 2. This both sides 50 centimeter, 15 in sine of this, 15 into 15 into sine of 60 degree. We will get area of triangle that is equal to 1 by 2, 15 into 52, 25 into root 3 by 2. You have to put the root 3 equal to this 1.73 and you will get the area of triangle. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला से निकाल दीजिए. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल, तो यू विल गेट दिस सेक्टर. एंड एरिया ऑफ सर्किल पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस दिस सेगमेंट, तो यू विल गेट द मेजर सेगमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, you have to solve it. Question 7 was the similar type. This question was also similar type. Radius this one and angle subtend this was theta. That is given radius equal to 12 centimeter and subtend angle theta is equal to 120 degree at center. That was the similar questions just like this one. This angle subtending at the center 120 degree and that line segment that is AB. You have to just find out the area of corresponding segment. This segment का area find out करना. You have to just find the area of this triangle AOB and area of triangle OA. Suppose this is CB sector. You have to subtract area of sector minus area of this triangle. So you will find area of corresponding segment equal to area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. I am putting the values here. Area of sector equal to theta upon 360 degree. Theta is here 120 degree. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Pi is given 3.14, not given. That is given pi equal to 3.14, 1.73 root 3. Pi r square. You have to just put the value and you will get the answer. Pi 3.14 r square is equal to 12 ka square and area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base. That sides that is equal to 12 centimeter, that is 12. 12 into sine of angle between sine of 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 is given 1.72. Put value and solve this. You will get the final answer of these questions. You have to just find the area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of sector theta upon 360. Theta is given upon 360 into pi 3.14 into r square minus 1 by 2. This both sides into sine of angle between them. This side area of triangle this side minus this into sine of this one. Sine of 120 degree. You have to find the value of sine of 120 degree and after sine of 120 by trigonometry you can find out this value and solving this one finally you will get the answer that is equal to 88.44 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Next question was so simple. A horse was tied at the peg of the corner of the square. This is the square given here. Here is a horse tied which is having this rope whose length is given is equal to 15 meter by that is the side of square. Square की sides कितनी है 15 meter. That is square whose sides is 15 meter. I hope that the side of this square, this all sides are equal, is given 15 meter in the questions and the rope of length, this was the rope whose length is given 5 meter. ठीक है, तो horse will graze in that way maximum this time, that will be equal to this horse can move in this way, that will be form the area of quadrant here. So you have to find the area of the part in which horse can graze. That was the equal to radius of circle, that is equal to 5 meter. 5 meter rho. So similarly in the first state, area of quadrant, that is first area of quadrant with rho की लेंथ कितनी है 5 मीटर, taking this radius, that is equals to this one. You can find easily value. Quadrant is 1/4 pi r square, pi equal to 22 given in the question, sorry, 3.14. R square, R you have to take this one, R square 5 का square. After solving you get the answer that is equal to 19.625 meter square. This is the answer of first part. In the second part, area of quadrant, what will be the increase in area if the rope length, rope की लेंथ आप 5 मीटर से बढ़ा के आपने 10 मीटर कर दी, तो इंक्रीज कितना हुआ, यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस वन. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस कंप्लीट माइनस यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस वन, तो यू विल गेट दिस एरिया. तो सिंपली रॉप की लेंगे 10 मीटर, तो एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट विद 10 मीटर रॉप, 10 meter rope, you have to take this length this time. You will get 1/4 pi r square, r equal to this one 10 meter, 3.14 into r square is equal to 10 square. After solving this you will get 78.5 meter square. Now what will be the, you have to find out the increase in grazing area. So increase in area will be this minus this one, you have to subtract this minus this, that will be the increase in area. Therefore increase in grazing area equal to this minus this, 78.5 minus 19.625. Solving you will get the final answer 58.875 meter square. This is your final answer for part second. I solved part first was this solve, part second this one answer. Next question number 9. The bronze is made with the silver wire in the form of a circle. सर्कल के फॉर्म में ये ब्रोंज बनी हुई है, देखो मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये वाली सिल्वर कलर में बनी हुई है ये पूरी, विद इसके साथ में डायमीटर भी इंक्लूड है, वो भी किससे बने हुए हैं, सिल्वर से बने हुए, 35 mm जिसका डायमीटर ये है, तो रेडियस इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. डायमीटर दे रखा है सर्किल, तो रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल कितना हो जाएगा, डायमीटर का हाफ, तो 35/2 mm millimeter, that is the radius. And how many diameters are there, 5 diameters. ठीक है, तो 5 diameters, this is the radius which divide this into 10 equal sectors. How many sectors are divisible, 10 equal sectors. मतलब ये डिवाइड कितने सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड कर रही है, 10 सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. कौन कौन से 10 सेक्टर, देखो दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. आई एम कंसिडरिंग दिस सेक्टर ओनली. ठीक है, तो टोटल एंगल व्हाट विल बी थीटा, 10 सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड है, तो थीटा विल बी 360 डिवाइड बाय हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स, 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स, 10, दैट विल बी 36 डिग्री, दैट विल बी एंगल विल बी 36 डिग्री फॉर वन, दिस वन. You have to find the first one, the total length of wire, silver wire used. सिल्वर वायर कहाँ यूज हुआ है, पहले तो सरकमफ्रेंस पे हो रहा है और फिर डायमीटर पे. डायमीटर टोटल कितने, 5 डायमीटर, तो लेंथ ऑफ 5 डायमीटर कितनी होगी, लेंथ ऑफ 5 डायमीटर इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 1 डायमीटर की लेंथ दे रखी है आपको 35 mm. 35 mm से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 175 mm. And circumference of circle is also made from the silver. तो circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r. You have to use 2 pi is not given, so you have 22/7 into r. R is given, radius is equal to 35/2. You can easily, and what will be the value after solving that, you will get that is equal to 110 mm. The total length of silver wire required equal to sum of these things, this and this, 75 mm plus 110 mm, that is equal to 120 10 plus 175. After adding, you will get final answer 285 mm. This is the answer of first. I solved this one. Now I am going to find out the area of sector of each Brunzi. All the sectors are formed. All the Brunzis is formed in the sector. This will be just like a sector of circle. How many sectors are there? 10 sectors. ठीक है. We have to find the area of each one. We have to find the area of this one. This one, the angle having, each one having 36 degree and radius is the same, that is used. So therefore area of Brunzi, area of sector, area of each sector equals to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Put the value. After putting the value, theta is here. वन ब्रुंची के लिए एंगल कितने डिग्री है? 36 डिग्री. 36 डिग्री अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई इक्वल्स टू 22/7. व्हाट इज द रेडियस? रेडियस इज दिस ऑलरेडी 35/2 इंटू आर स्क्वायर 35/2. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग you will get the answer that you can easily find out. That will be in the millimeter square. Please solve it. Next. Question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs. How many ribs are there in diagram? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ribs are there. ठीक है. Which are equally spaced? Equally spaced है उनके बीच में. Space equally है. Assuming that umbrella has to be flat of radius. This is radius is given 45 cm. Find the angles. Find the area of between the two consecutive reeds of umbrella. एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है तो पहले एंगल फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा थीटा, क्योंकि ये सारे मान लो ये इसको कंसिडर करते हैं, ये सेक्टर फॉर्म है तो ये एंगल थीटा चाहिए आपको. थीटा इक्वल टू टोटल कितने रिब्स है? 8. तो 360 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 यू विल गेट दैट वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू 45 डिग्री. You will get 45 degree easily. Then you can find out what is the area, that is radius जो already given 45 सेंटीमीटर. तो इन दोनों रिब्स के बीच में, दिस और दिस के बीच में ये एक ही सेक्टर आएगा, वही तो होगा, एक ही सेक्टर होगा, कंजिक्यूटिव नहीं होने चाहिए. देखो एरिया बिटवीन द टू कंजिक्यूटिव रिब्स, टू कंजिक्यूटिव रिब्स के बीच में एक इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है आपको. तो सिंपली आप, दिस इज द सेक्टर फॉर्म, तो सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा दिस द एरिया बिटवीन द कंजिक्यूटिव रिब्स ऑफ अम्ब्रेला इज इक्वल टू थीटा अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू थीटा इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. 45 डिग्री अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई की वैल्यू नहीं है तो 22/7 इंटू आर ऑलरेडी given in the question 45 centimeter square. 45 into 45, that will you get the final answer. After solving this you will get the answer that is equal to 22275/28 centimeter square. This is your final answer of this area between two consecutive will be this one. Next question. A car है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. A car has 2 wipers. कितने वाइपर्स है? 2. Which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping an angle of 115 डिग्री. फाइंड द टोटल एरिया क्लीन बाय ईच ऑफ द ब्लेड्स. मतलब दोनों ब्लेड्स के द्वारा कितना एरिया होगा. आपने कार देखी होगी, ब्लेड लगे होते हैं, ये मूव करेगा इस तरह से, इस तरह से मूवेबल होता है तो ये सेक्टर बनाएगा. तो जिसका एंगल दे रखा है 115 डिग्री. 2 है, एक साइड है एक और है, 2 वाइपर्स बने हुए हैं, ये भी 155 डिग्री सेम एंगल बनाएगा. आपका रेडियस दे रखे जिसकी लेंथ है 25 सेंटीमीटर, तो ये रेडियस की वैल्यू होगी 25 सेंटीमीटर और थीटा कितना हो गया 115 डिग्री. तो ये क्या बना रहा है? सेक्टर फॉर्म में बना रहा है. क्या बना रहा है? सेक्टर. दिस इज द सेक्टर, दिस पार्ट इज द सेक्टर, दिस इज आल्सो द सेक्टर. ठीक है. तो सिंपली एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर एक वाइपर के लिए सेम होगा, दोनों के लिए सेम है तो डबल कर देंगे. तो टोटल एरिया क्लीन बाय ईच ऑफ द स्वीपर्स विल बी डबल हो जाएगा. दोनों का एरिया इसका सेम होगा तो एक का निकाल देते. थीटा अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. दस पुट द वैल्यू 2 इंटू थीटा इज इक्वल टू 150 डिग्री. 150 डिग्री अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू 2 इंटू पाई 22/7. आर इज गिवन ऑलरेडी 25 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 25 इंटू 25. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल गेट that is centimeter square. Final answer you can easily solve and you will get that is equal to 158125/126 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Next question. सिंपली आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि 2 वाइपर्स थे, ये और ये सेम एरिया होगा, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, डबल किया है. ध्यान रखना है इसका. बाकी ये सेम फार्मूला सेक्टर का निकाला है. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन ऑफ द शिप अंडर द रॉक्स, रॉक्स में एक लाइट हाउस बना हुआ है, स्प्रेड ए रेड कलर लाइट ओवर ए सेक्टर, सेक्टर इज दिस वन, एंगल थीटा दे रखा है, डिस्टेंस इतने किलोमीटर, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सी ओवर विच द शिप्स आर वार्न्ड। तो मैं आपको डायग्राम से बता देता हूँ, एक फ्लैट बना हुआ है, लाइट हाउस है समुद्र के अंदर बहुत सारा, जहाँ से एक लाइट फॉल कर रही है वो इस तरह से प्रोजेक्शन करेगी समुद्र पे इस तरह से। तो डिस्टेंस कितनी जा सकती है, डिस्टेंस दे रखी है आपको 16.5 किलोमीटर। तो ये तो हो जाएगी आपकी रेडियस, और कितने एंगल बना रही है 80 डिग्री, ये कितने डिग्री है 80 डिग्री। तो डैट इज इक्वल टू थीटा, थीटा की वैल्यू बताए तो ये कितना एरिया स्वेप्ट करेगी, दैट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेक्टर, तो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर का फॉर्मूला लगा दीजिए, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ सी ओवर द शिप वार्न विल बी इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, दैट इज इक्वल टू थीटा अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर। तो वैल्यू पुट कर दी, थीटा कितना दे रखा है 80 डिग्री, 80 अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई की वैल्यू कितनी रखनी है आपको 3.14, ध्यान रखना दे रखी है, आर स्क्वायर, आर कितना आ जाएगा ये 16.5 का स्क्वायर, आफ्टर सॉल्विंग किलोमीटर आएगा, किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, यू विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर 189.97 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, आई होप यू solve this problem easily. Thank you, have a nice day.